In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices using our platform, and we'll ensure everything is set up correctly for a smooth transaction process. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section of your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all things related to invoices, quotes, and customer payments. Look for the tab labeled Sales and click on it. Once you're in, you should see an option for Invoices. This is the place where all your created invoices are stored and organized for easy access. Now that you're in the Invoice section, you'll see a list of all your invoices. Take a moment to locate the specific invoice you need to send. Make sure you're selecting the correct one by checking any relevant details such as the customer name and the amount. Click on the invoice you wish to send. This action will open up the invoice in full detail, giving you a complete overview of all the particulars associated with this transaction. Once you've confirmed that you have the right invoice opened, look for the button that says Send or Save and Send. Clicking on Send will allow you to send the invoice directly without making any additional changes, perfect for when everything is already in order. If you choose Save and Send, you'll have the chance to review or modify any last-minute details before it goes out. In either case, you're ensuring that your customer receives the invoice promptly and accurately. After clicking on the option that suits your needs, you'll be presented with an email message preview. This is an important step as it allows you another opportunity to make sure everything looks perfect before you hit the send button. It's a good idea to double check the subject line, email address, and any attached files or notes within the message to ensure clarity and avoid any potential misunderstandings. Adjust the message if necessary, but keep in mind that concise and clear communication is key for a professional appearance. Once you've reviewed the email message and confirmed that everything is correct, you'll find the familiar send button ready for action. Go ahead and click it, and just like that, the invoice is on its way to your customer. They will receive an email notification complete with all the details they need to process the payment. And there you have it. That's all it takes to send an invoice using our platform. Remember, double checking details before sending ensures the process is smooth for you and your customer. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to review these steps anytime you need to send another invoice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.